EUNHAENG. EUNHAENG. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word EUNHAENG. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 312. EUNHAENG. Again, it's EUNHAENG. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is in, second syllable is hang. Pronounce it with me. EUNHAENG. EUNHAENG. What is the meaning of the word EUNHAENG? This is actually the Korean term for bank. Again, EUNHAENG is the Korean term for bank. Now, how do we write EUNHAENG in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable "un," we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder "iyang," followed by an "u" character, followed by a "nian" character. Again, that's an "iyang," "u," and "nian" character. For the second syllable "hang," we need to draw first a "hiu" character, followed by an "e" character, followed by an "iyang" character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write EUNHAENG in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned EUNHAENG. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 302 to 311. But don't forget our word for today, word number 312, EUNHAENG, which means bank. Now, the first word for our review is word number 311. It's patta. This is a verb which means to receive. Next word for our review is Joesonghamnida, which means please do me a favor. Next word for our review is isangayo, which means strange or weird. Next word is 재미있어요, which means interesting or fun. Next word is 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. Next word is 싫어해, which means I hate it. Next word is 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word for our review is 싫어하다. This is a verb which means to hate. And the last word for our review is word number 302, 울지 마요, which means don't cry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.